Friends, good morning. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to explain how to record your accounts easy in Google Sheets. In this sheet is entry form. Here you have to enter the date and receive a reference number, bill number or payment date, anything. And here you have to select the voucher type, payment receipt, sales, purchase, whatever you wish. Here you have to enter the account name. Here enter debit, credit and narration. Once you enter and click on save button, this data will go and sit in this data sheet. After that, it will go to ledgers. Say like this: bank account, CGST, customer, sales, etc. Here the trial balance. Trial balance means it is the summary of balances of all your accounts. Now let's begin. Now I am going to clear all this data here. Now check this ledgers, no ledgers, empty, this is also empty. Okay. Now go to fill one entry, that is called, here I am double click to pick the date from this calendar. Here reference number, it's an optional, you can enter any number or otherwise you can leave it blank. Here I am going to enter invoice number 200. Here I am going to enter sales record. Here debit to customer, okay, 1,05,000. Then here sales account. Here I am entering 1 lakh. And here CGST 2,500. Here I am entering SGST 2,500. Here narration, you can enter any one row is enough, being goods sold to customer. Okay. Once you enter, keep the cursor here and then click save. See here already it's come into trial balance. This is the trial balance. Okay. You can check the data. This is the data. See 200 sales invoice, customer account debit. Okay. Narration also it has filled, even though I entered narration in one row. This is the way you have to fill. Now I am going to enter one more data, that is customer account 1,05,000. I am going to enter as received 1 lakh from customer. Go here, then again here click the date, say 100 is the reference number. Here I am entering as receipt. Here bank account data, bank account 1 lakh. Here customer account 1 lakh. Here narration being amount received from customer. That's it. Now keep the cursor here, the blank spaces. Click on save. Now it has saved. See, the customer is before that 1,05,000. Now after 1 lakh received is 5,000 is the balance. Okay, now you can check this in receipt entry also updated. This is the receipt and ledgers. These are the ledgers. Now I am going to enter one more entry, that is called purchase. Enter the pick the date from calendar as 123. See whatever it is. Say 22. Today's date. Not one. This is the reference number. That is the supplier bill number. Okay. Here enter purchase supplier account. These ledgers are already filled in this list sheet list. Okay, now the purchase account, debit to purchase account, right? Purchase account, say 1 lakh, say 10,000. Purchase account, okay. Now CGST input ledgers, CGST 10,000 into 5%, into 5%, 500. So 250 is the CGST and SGST 250, and here the supplier account credit. This total comes 10,500, right? This is my GPay number. You can pay 500 to this number and get this Google Sheet Excel template to maintain your accounts freely. Small scale business people can use this software. Instead of Tally and all, you have to buy 18,000. So this is very cheapest one, that is only 500 rupees. After fill all the details, here you can enter the narration. Purchase goods from supplier. Okay, now keep the cursor here, then click on save. Now check here CGST, SGST, the supplier also can here. Trial balance is, you can see on the sheet. Grand total, you can add these totals, no problem, no worries. Trial balance, you can check this trial balance, supplier account. Okay, here if you want this totals, that is not an issue. Go here, sum, bus, sum, so here this is the total 1,15,000, right? Total is came here. Now the data sheet, purchase entry also recorded, updated 301. Then ledgers, also purchase account 10,000. Then supplier account 10,500. Okay, fine. This is the way you can enter, you can maintain your whole accounts in this Google Sheet. So limitation is around 1 lakh entries you can do, 1 lakh records you can do. That is not an issue. Data, once you fill this form, automatically will sit the data in this data sheet. Then ledgers automatically posted into ledgers. Then trial balance. This is the trial balance. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please share my video and put like and subscribe. Please don't forget to contact at this number 79044121225. This is my gpay code. Who are interested in this software, you can buy this from me. Thank you for watching this video.